In this video, let us look into Ahref tags. So, you can link to other sites with Ahref tag, or you can traverse between top and bottom of the page with Ahref tag. Let us first see the how we traverse from to the bottom of the page and to the top of the page. So let me paste this part of the code. Here we are giving the name. A is the anchor and name is top, and we close that with /a, and this is the top of the page. This is the top, and I have given a line break, and ahref is equal to hash bottom. Go to the bottom of the page and /a and line break br. So this slash bottom will check where the name bottom is. So if I go down here, I declare the A name is bottom. So here we are linking this bottom with hash bottom in Ahref tag. So when we click this part, go to the bottom of the page, it will go to the bottom of the page. Similarly, here I have given a name is equal to top, and I have linked it from here. Ahref is equal to hash top. Go to the top of the page. Now let's see how this works. File, view in browser. So this is the top, and here there is a link, go to the bottom of the page. So here there's still lines below this too. Let me click it. This is the bottom of the page, the bottom, and here we lost that the top of the page. So now if I click here and go to top of the page, then I'll go to the top of the page. So we can use this a name and ahref to go to the bottom of the page or to the top of the page. Now let us delete this. And we'll link to and the site and check the ahref, how it works. Here I'm linking to this site. Ahref is equal to, and this site address, that is for this site is SQL BI bytes, and we are saying this is future. Here this is the part where we can click it, and I closed it with /a tag. Now if I save it, file, view in browser. So if I click on future now, it will link to this site SQL BI bytes, because we have given this website address, this YouTube site address inside that ahref tag. Now let us look into image tag. Because I have a line break here, and then img rc is equal to logo.jpg, and we give alt because if the browser doesn't display the jpg file, then whatever you give in the alt will be displayed, so that people know what it is, what that image is which is missing. So here I given it alt is equal to logo. Here in the source I haven't given the path because this logo.jpg is in the same folder as this HTML file, html struct.html. So if I go here So this HTML struct.html is here and the logo.jpg file is here. So then there's no need to give the path. Now I save it, file, new in browser. So this will show up the image, the logo.jpg has shown up, and this is too big. So let us give the width and height for that. Here say width is equal to e and height equal to 50. Now let's save it, let's view it. Okay. Now you can see it a smaller image because we have fixed the width as 50 and height as 50. If I want to display this image to the right of the screen, then I can say style is equal to float float right. So float float right. Save it and view in browser. Now you can see this image has been displayed to the right of the screen. If I want to make this image as a link, then I can link it to the ahref. So I can just let me give. So this ahref part linking to the SQL BI Bytes YouTube channel, I'll give it here ahref and this image, then I'll end this tag here /a. So this image is now linked. So when we click on this image now, it will go to that SQL BI Bytes YouTube channel. Let us now file. So now if I show this, the pointer here, I'll get a link here. So I can, this is a clickable image now. So now if I click this, it will take me to this SQL BI Bytes YouTube channel. Let me go back. So this is how we can here link this image to go to a particular website or YouTube channel or any other link. Now let us see how we link a part of the image to go to the website or YouTube channel. mg source is equal to logo.jpg, alt is equal to logo, width is equal to 150 and height is equal to 150. Close this, and here let us link it to a map. So I use map is equal to, I'll give the name logo. So ash logo will link it to that. Hash logo will link it to that map. So here we define the map. Map name is equal to logo, because here we given this name logo. You can give any name here. So given map name is equal to logo, and we have ended with /map. Here we define the area. Shape is equal to circle, and chords is equal to comma, and then we will give the href where we are linking it to href. Then we'll close this here. Now let's execute. Now we got this logo. Here this part, we define the coordinates as 50, 50, 50, 50. So this part we are getting that hand symbol. So when we click only this part of the image, then we'll go to that website. But if I click somewhere here or here, then it is not linking it. So we have defined a map of this area based on the coordinates. So only this part is linking to the next website. So if I click here, nothing happens, but if I click here, it will link to the SQL BI Bytes channel. Go back, close. That's how we can define this map and use the href to link to and the site.